Yo, guys, we have one of them ones, bro. We got one of them ones. This is definitely one of the best collabs of 2023. You guys can let me know how you feel about this one down below in the comment section after we unbox it, man. So let's get right into today's video. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. It's always greatly appreciated, man. We guys pull up, see what your boy The Vintage is talking about. We come to you guys again, bro. We dropping banger after banger after banger. If you guys have not watched my early look over the Air Jordan 3 Midnight Navies or the Air Jordan 1 Yellow Orchids are released in 2024, make sure you tap in, check them out, and let me know how you feeling about some of these upcoming releases. Midnight Navies come out on Saturday. We got the Grinches tomorrow. I took a huge L on the FLX app. So if you guys got a W on the Kobe 6 Reverse Grinches, man, please let us know down below. Like I said, huge L for me, but I'm gonna be excited to see some of the Vintage Squad actually got W's as of now on the Reverse Grinches. We still got a second opportunity. We ain't gotta worry about the flex. We got Sneakers app coming out. Hopefully it's a bunch of pairs, kind of oversaturate the market. It's seeming like it's still gonna be on them hot commodities. It's gonna be something that people's trying to get. Everybody love Kobe 6s nowadays, and put a Reverse Grinch colorway on it. Of course, it's gonna do numbers, man. And on Saturday, we got those Midnight Navy 3s, bruh. And me, myself, not too crazy over them. It's a solid colorway, but just given the fact that I have a lot of similar Air Jordan 3 colorways, not a huge, you know what I'm saying, fan of them as far as copping them add to the collection. But you guys will see a full review and on feed over the Air Jordan 3 Midnight Navies either tomorrow or on the release date, depending on how things go. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, hit the notification bell for your boy so you don't miss out on any content that we do drop on the channel. Before we get into this dope unbox, I need everybody to leave a huge like on today's video, man. You guys know what time it is, bro. You know what time it is when we got the Rambo knife out. It's time to unbox some heat. And like I said, I've been waiting to get these for a while. Some of the homies was like, bro, you might not get these. You know what I'm saying? They be casting their orders. FedEx ain't gonna ship them. Just a bunch of stuff, you know what I'm saying? Kind of had me a little worried, but they came pretty quick, bro. They came pretty quick, I ain't gonna lie. So, without further ado, bro, let's go ahead and break them out and see what we talking about. And, bro, the box is dope, bro. The box is A1. I ain't gonna cap, man. Check out the box. And once I show you the box, y'all gonna know exactly what these are, man. So let me show y'all, bro. Let me show y'all the box, man. And bam, bro. Check out the details on this dope collab box, bro. Let's get them out of here. Let's get them out of here. Get the box out the way, man, and check it out, man. Look at all the details, bro. Look at all the details around this Air Jordan right here. Dope collab. You know we get, you know what I'm saying, a dope box with a collaboration. You get some extra accessories and stuff like that. So that $250 or that $230 every spend on a collab does seem to be worth it, man. So you got the Air Jordan 8, bro. Air Jordan 8 Retro SP. Y'all see it, bro. Air Jordan 8 Retro SP. Fish colorway reads Sail Metallic Gold and Fossil. And I had to go up a half a size. My 8. This is a size 9.5, bro. You got the Soul Fly guys, bro. You got the Soul Fly guys, man. The Mi Casa es su casa. Y'all heard it, bro. I'm a little bit, you know what I'm saying, good in my Spanish speaking. So y'all see it, bro. Y'all see it, man. Let's go ahead and get into them, bro. Let's get into them, bro. Look at the presentation. They're going crazy with the presentation on these guys right here, man. I ain't gonna hold y'all. You got all types of stuff going on with the sneaker, the box and stuff. So I ain't gonna try to describe what this is, but y'all see it is what it is. You feel me? It is how it comes. And let's flip them open, bro. Let's flip them open and check them out. And yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. Let me show y'all what we got, man. The Air Jordan 8 Mi Casa Su Casas, bro. Man, these are clean. I'm gonna pull both of them out of the box real quick, bro. I got to, man. Let me get both of them out of the box. See if you got any extra laces or anything like that. I don't see them. Nah, you get nothing extra, nothing special, but the box itself, I ain't gonna lie, spending $250 was well worth it in my opinion. But bruh, y'all see what we got here. Do y'all see what we got here, man? One of the best collabs of the year, and it happens not to be an NOIR. It's not a Travis Scott. It's not an Off-White. It is Soulfly, bro. And this is my first ever Soulfly in the collection. I did want to get the one Lowe's to add to the collection that they dropped, but these will do just fine for me, bro. These right here are gonna do us justice, man. I'm liking them just off first look, off of first glimpse. But bro, just look at it, bro. Look at it, look at the details. Like, it's just kind of hard to break down. You got some weird materials on the outer panels right there, and then you flip it on the inside, bro. Flip it on the inside, you gotta get some different material as well. And I'm not too sure on what to make up of that material, bro. Some translucent panels on the midsole. And I'm telling you, bro, the execution is just so crispy. And they hit us with a nice little hit of gold on the lacing system, bro. I see that gold hit, the gold pops in there, bro. And then Jordan 8s are known for the tongue. You got the furry tongue with all types of crazy designs. You got some gold in there, some red, some blue, and some white. And the sneaker that I instantly thought about after I purchased these was the Air Jordan 7 Trophy Room. So here we have them, man, the Air Jordan 7 Trophy Rooms. You guys kind of see, you know, they not similar, but you can see the same hits. You got the gold, you got the fossil, the kind of off-white hits, the red, blue, and white. And it kind of looked like this is like a Trophy Room 8. Like, Trophy Room definitely could have stole this design right here and made it their own. But Soulfly, you know what I'm saying, came out and was like, you know what? Let's drop something crazy, bro. Look at the outsoles. This is nice. This is really nice, bro. Kind of got some like worn out look to it with the navy hits on the toe box area, and you get that same fossil jump, man, on the tip of the sneaker. And I don't know what it is about the outsole, but the mid panel right here, you guys can see it kind of look more like a premium touch, bro. It looks like it has the same similar, you know what I'm saying, hits as far as kind of like a translucent or like a glassy look to it as they do have on the outer panel. Hey man, I'm loving them, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I cannot wait to throw them on feet. Something that has been a little bit, you know, a little hard for me as far as styling the 8s, bro. I kind of hard styling the 8s. This is more like my down sneaker as far as, you know, throwing a quick pair of joggers, throwing a quick tee, a quick hat or something like that. Then I pull them out, but as far as me actually, like, you know what I'm saying, throwing on a full fit, going crazy with them, I haven't done it in a long time. But hey, these might change my mind, bro. These definitely might change my mind. Got the red 2-3 right there, but I'm glad to have them in the collection. I think these are gonna be dropping a little bit limited on the sneakers app, and the full drop was over on Soulfly's site. It's a bit shocked that I did get a pair, because like I said, my first time ever, ever getting a pair on the Soulfly site. Another reason I was a little bit shocked at getting these is because like the resale before the drop was like $350, $400 for my size, and usually when you look at prices around that range, that's like the high end as far as what sneakers are going for, bro. $350 for a pair of Air Jordan 8s is super high. You don't see that a lot, but now they're dipping a little bit down because people are starting to get their pairs. People started letting them off. People that don't want them on StockX and Go and stuff like that. So kind of dropped to around like $280, $290 price range. But after that, I can definitely see these jumping right back up because you're not getting these again, bro. The Soulfly 8s, they here, and this is it, you feel me? They ain't gonna drop these again. I don't think it's gonna be a retro of it. If it's anything, Soulfly would drop an entirely new colorway, because like, I've never seen a retro of Soulfly. Like, I haven't seen it, but it is some colorways that need to bring out, like the Air Jordan 1, what they call them, 305 to Miami's, or like, you know what I'm saying, the Miami colorway. Soulflies, they need to bring them joints back out, because that was a pair I always loved seeing when I went to sneaker events. And I think the homie Joe has a pair. The homie Joe got a pair. I've seen a couple other pairs, you know what I'm saying, different events and stuff like that, bro. But I'm super happy, super excited to finally have my own, bro. Have my own pair of Soulflies. They did a great job as far as the execution with these bad boys right here. I appreciate all the support, man. Thanks for tapping into today's video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you miss out on any content that we drop, and leave a huge like. I'm talking about everybody. Everybody watching, leave a huge like. It helps the channel. You guys know we grinding for that 100K, and it's right around the corner, man. Again, man, thanks for tuning in. You didn't have to, but you did. And with that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.